Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Day 6 पढ़ेंगे तो बढ़ेंगे. As you know, we are in ratio and proportion, and today we'll continue with mixtures and alligation topic. Previously it was inverse proportion. So a shopkeeper mixes rice with costing 40 per kg with rice 60 per kg. So there are two rice, okay, R1 and R2. One is 40 kg, one is 60 kg. That after mixing, okay, one with the low quality and one with the high quality, he gets a mixture of 48. He is selling that mixture at 48 per kg. Now we have to find the ratio. So step 1, okay, step 1, R1 is 40 kg, he is still mixing. R2 60 kg, this is the second rice. The mixture is 48 kg. What is the difference? Okay, 60 minus 48, okay, he is selling at a lower price, okay, 60 minus 48, 12. 48 minus 40, okay, mixture is 48 and this one. So both the difference we have to take out. What is the ratio we have to take out? One is cheap and one is costly. So what we got? 12 is to 8. 3 4 12, 4 3 12, 4 2 8. 3 is to 2 is the ratio answer. Our next question is, a milkman mixes water with the milk, okay, as you know, दूध वाला जो पानी मिलाता है दूध में, in the ratio 1 is to 4, okay. Milk is more and water is less, 1 is to 4. If the total mixture is 25 liter, okay, after mixing water, okay, the total mixture is 20, find the quantity of milk. So with water it is 25 liter, we have to find the quantity of milk. So what we have to take out? Water is to milk, okay, generally water is 1, milk will be 4, okay, that's the reason, basic things we have to understand. What will be the total ratio if we add 1 plus 4? Now we have to take out the quantity of milk. So this is what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 is the total. 4 is the milk ratio. 5 is the total ratio. 5 5 is 25. Milk is 20 liter, and therefore water will be 5 liter. Okay. The answer what we have to got? Milk is, what is the liter of milk? 20 liters. Practice. Okay. These all things, if you see in there, is there in all the previous inverse proportion and all similar method. Okay. Only thing is that format is changing, okay, inverse ratio and all the things. Now is a mixture and alligation type of question is there, okay. So similar pattern, but what is that? The pattern of the questions changes, but you know the formula, the steps and all, okay, what we have tried to solve, it is same. So my thinking is practice, okay, that's it. Our next question is, a vessel contains 40 liter of water, okay, in a vessel contains 40 liter of milk, okay, in this 40 liter is there, 40 liter, 10 liters are removed by water, so in this 10 liters are removed by water. Find the quantity of milk. We need to find the quantity of milk. See, I have solved the question in the beginning only while solving the answer, okay. So that is the thing when I tell my viewer, student, whoever following my subscriber and all, okay, read the question twice, thrice, fourth and all, okay. The answer is there only. So what is that? 40 liter of the milk was there, 10 liters was removed. So what is that? Step 1. Milk left. How much milk was left? Original by removing the original, okay. Original quantity of milk is whatever is there, 40 liter. How much was removed? So 10. So how much was left? 30. 40 minus 10, 30. That's gone 30. 30 liters of milk. Okay. Hardly a mental math type of question in 1 marks. Not more than that. This type of question. More than 3 minutes. I'll continue with some more question and answer for day 5, okay. And what is that? Please press my bell icon, okay, to receive the more such notification on Maths Mastery question and answers. Thank you guys, and bye bye. Have a nice day.